Hello, this is Teacher Willie. I'm going to explain now the natural environment that corresponds to the coniferous forest and oaks. The type of vegetation for these natural environments are the coniferous. When we talk about coniferous, we're talking about pines, lots of different types of pines, which also Mexico has a lot of varieties, and the oak trees. Let me show you how they look like. To begin with, the coniferous forests are the greenish areas that are shown here on the map, which I'm pretty sure you are identifying here in our state, Chihuahua. Coniferous forests look like this. These are pines, okay? This is like the Sierra Tarahumara. This is other Sierra. I believe this one is from San Luis Potosí, I guess. Don't remember where I got this. Oh no, it's Chihuahua too. I'm sorry, it's Chihuahua, as well as this one. As for the oak trees, are this type of trees. The location of these coniferous forests goes all the way, almost all the territory, all the Mexican territory. Let me show you more in detail using the map, which includes Sonora, Chihuahua, Sinaloa, Durango, Nayarit, Jalisco, Michoacán, Guerrero, Oaxaca, Chiapas, also by Veracruz, Puebla, Hidalgo. I'm not sure if we still have some coniferous forests in Tlaxcala. Couldn't identify it. Nuevo León, San Luis Potosí, and Coahuila. Oh, and as well as Zacatecas. Oh, I got back to this. Go ahead and turn my back. Sorry about that. Okay. The type of climate that you will find at a coniferous forest is temperate humid and temperate subhumid, which it is temperate because obviously we are in higher latitudes. In some places too, subhumid it will be on the lower, below the Tropic of Cancer, and it gets the rain of in summer, most of all in summer, gets a lot of rain. This is why they preserve their environment greenish. This is the type of vegetation and climate that you will find in a coniferous forest. And the altitude for the coniferous forest and oaks is higher. It goes from 1,100 meters above the sea level all the way up to 2,400 meters. So one of the highest places in our territory. As you can see here, it includes almost not reddish, but most of all whitish colors that indicate here in the map, a relief map for altitudes. It includes all of these territories. The type of reliefs goes from sierras, obviously, because we have a lot of mountains, but also we have canyons, valleys. Since there's humidity, we can also find lakes, and since it is up in high territories, there is where we find the river source. For the flora that we will find in these places, it includes all types of pine trees. Sorry, I misspelled this one. It should be pine trees, coniferous forest, oak trees, of course, And we have a wide variety of local trees and plants, such as ocotes, tascate, saucillo, palos de rosa, laurel, etc. And finally, for the fauna, let me show you really quick how they look like, the flora. You may be familiar with it, obviously, all types of trees, of pine trees. This is, I believe this one was laurel. No, this is not laurel. I'm not quite sure which one was this, but this is the oak tree. This is the oak tree. And as for the fauna, oh, sorry about that. For the fauna, we will find the bighorn sheep, tecolote, gray fox, gray chipmunk, woodpeckers, coatis, pumas, venado, cola blanca. Okay. This is the type of animals. This is the coatis. It's an animal that we can find on these places: the puma, the gray chipmunk, the gray hare, the gray fox, and the woodpecker. And this is it for the coniferous forest and oaks.